I've wasted a lot of time calling one company and I've closed them.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Like,
yeah.
It's still, what's more important than money? Time.
Right.
Time is, and by the way, go, if you don't believe me, go to a, God forbid, go to a hospice, spend some time around places where you don't want to go. And you'll start to realize real quick, when it gets serious, people are like, wow, time is really valuable, right? Like people would do anything to buy more time. So this is where you got to be conscious of that. And I'm not saying go waste your time. I'm not saying a client is a waste of time, but I'm saying it's the same as spending money on that account. And some of the time, there's deals that all of us have closed that if we had just followed our process and not emotionally, we're like, oh, just this one's going to work. This one's going to work. And been like, I am investing this much time in a prospect, no matter who they are. We would have still probably closed the deal or not, but we would have got 15 other deals. I see it all the time. Every salesperson, if they're being honest with themselves, has like 4 pet accounts that they spend way too much time either trying to close or trying to keep happy. And at some point you have to go, here's what I do, here's what I don't do. I provide excellent service. I'm not doing the small talk thing. And I'm going out there and trying to improve as many companies' lives as possible, in your case, right? And improve the logistics of as many organizations as possible. And just get those balls down the field, right? You score a lot more touchdowns if you can throw a lot more balls.
If you like this video, I got you. I'm going to hook you up. Click the link in my bio. I'm going to give you the closing mini masterclass. It's normally $300. I'm going to pay for everything. You're going to close a lot more business. You're going to make a lot more money. You're going to have a lot more fun. And you're going to be like, Matt Easton changed my life. And I'm going to be like, yes, I did. Did we just become best friends? And you're going to say, yes, we did. And then you and I are going to be best friends and it'll be great. So click the link in my bio so we can be friends and you can close more business and I'll cover all the cost. See you there.